In this video, we're going to look at setting up payment processing on the Total Drive system to accept payments from students. So once you've logged in to your administration area on the web, which is accessible through www.totaldrive.app, you'll be able to see on the left-hand side in the admin, the money option. You click on money, then click on take payments, and that will take you to this area, and then click up on setup. Once you get to the setup area, you click on enable payments. You choose whether you want anyone to pay or only active students. The difference being if you allow anyone to pay, you'll be able to add payment processing to your website and allow brand new people that have never used you before and don't have the app to pay through your website. So I'm going to choose allow anyone to pay. You've then got the admin fee. If you choose to add a fee for payment processing, you can put that here. It's worth noting here that if you do choose to put a fee in here, that payment processing fee needs to be applied to all of your payment methods, including cash, backs, check, in order that you stay within the law. So I'm going to put in an admin fee of 2% in here and click Save. Now it's time to set up my bank details. So I click on the next button. That takes me through to this page here. Obviously choose the correct country, choose whether I'm a company or an individual sole trader, pop in my telephone number. If you're using a mobile number in here, make sure you put a 0 in front, that's really important. Then pop in your email address and then click Next. The system will then send a code to my mobile phone, which I have to add in this area. From there, we move into an area all about yourself. So you put in all of your details. The next area is to choose your industry. The best thing to put here is if you type in the word education and then choose other educational services and then your business address. Once you've done that, click Next. Then we need to change the currency to British pounds. We then put in our bank details. We reconfirm our number. And then click Save. Then we can see that all of our information is in here. And we can click Done. Then we come back to our Total Drive system. And you can see now that the payments are enabled, our account is verified, and we can view our dashboard balance. So having set up the payment processing, you now need to add products and categories to your system. The system has some standard categories in here, which you can either delete and replace or use as they are. So for instance, you could put in here manual lessons, automatic lessons. If you have different prices for different areas, you could put in an area as a category. So manual lessons in Sheffield or manual lessons in Leeds, whatever you fancy doing, you can put in as many categories as you want. Having set up your categories first, you then go to products and you add in your products. So we're going to come into, first of all, add a product. And I'm going to choose to do a 2-hour lesson for manual cars. And this is going to be for beginners only. So it's 2 hours, so it's 120 minutes. And my price for that is £60. And we know that this is a manual lesson. And then we click Add Product. And that now appears within our products. You add as many products as you wish to the different categories that you've got set up within the system. This area here is an important point. You may find that you have different rates for some customers. So it may be that you've updated your rates over a financial year, but you're still teaching someone to drive at the previous year's rates. In order to set up specific payments for specific students, you need to actually go to the students' profile themselves. So you go to Learners, Students, you choose the student that you want to set up a specific hourly rate for, you click View, go to their profile, click Edit Profile, and then scroll down until you see the rates per hour. Now, my normal rate for a 1 hour lesson is £30, but for this particular student, the rate is £25. So I'm going to put £25 in there, and their 1.5 hour rate, I'm setting at 42. Their 2 hour rate is 50, and their 10 hour rate is £250. So once I've done all that, I click Save. Now, when this particular student opens up their app, they will have a specific rate for them. And at the top, depending on their name, it'll say their name and rates.